This is the painting from yesterday, and this area that I was worried about turned out better than I expected. I have been working on 30 paintings in 30 days, and today is day 7. And these are cups of leftover paint from previous paint pours that I've done this week. So I am going to just flip them all over on the canvas and see what we get. The last time I did this, the painting turned out surprisingly well. I thought it was going to be a disaster, but it wasn't. Then I had some paint bottles that had the narrow tips, and the paint in here was clogging up the tips. I think because they had glitter and stuff in it. So I just decided to pour those onto the canvas as well, and that really made a difference. The paint in those bottles was a lot more runny than the paint from the cups, and I think that it helped the other paint move across the canvas a lot easier. So there you see the blue and the blue green. That pink and white had been sitting for like 3 days. That purple and pink is really pretty, and then the blue green was pretty fresh. It was from the day before. Girl, I'm a glitter girl, so I really enjoy adding glitter to my paintings, and so I decided to add some of that glitter again to this painting. And you can see that that pink is barely moving across the canvas because it has been sitting in a cup for days. I'm really trying to tip and tilt the painting, the canvas, because I'm really trying to get that pink to move and not dominate the canvas. But there you see, pink is really letting herself be known right there in the middle. So I'm gonna try to fix that. So I took the drippings off of the edge of the canvas and tried to drip it in the pink area to try to break it up a little bit, to give it a little bit more character, because it was really bothering me. And the drippings gave it a little bit more character, and I would say more in balance. I would say it, I don't know what to say about this painting, but I like it. It's very chaotic. It's very, it looks like how my week went. So, I hope you enjoyed this painting as much as I did. I like doing the leftover paint pours because I never know what I'm gonna get, and this is definitely organized chaos. I think that's what I'm gonna call this piece, organized chaos. If you enjoy this type of chaos, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see what I paint next. Stay colorful, everyone.